everyone, and welcome to my channel. I just wanted to let you all know I received this box and it is from Wool and the Gang. So I am going to go ahead and open it up. I'm excited. If you're not familiar with Wool and the Gang, I think you would really like their products, and I will put their website in the description box. So opening it up in front of you all, first time. Look, it comes in this nice bag. Look at this. This nice bag. I love how they package their product. See, hashtag made unique. Yay! It's right there. Hashtag made unique. See what we got, right? Oh my goodness. Look at these yarns. Wow. Well, look at here. All right, so we have this Sugar Baby alpaca. Oh my God, it's so soft. And this is in forest green. It's 50 grams and 127 yards, which is 116 meters, and it is 100% alpaca, and it's made in Peru. Oh, this is beautiful. Recommended hook size, it's showing 3.5 millimeter hook. Let's see what's in there. It just says they're soft and slinky sugar baby yarn. Ooh. Oh wow. Oh, it's so soft. I like this. So I'm gonna have to do something special with this. I actually did purchase 2 of these, and the total of these 2 in forest green of the Sugar Baby alpaca was $17.92. And I got some t-shirt yarn. Now, for those of you that saw my Facebook or have been on my Facebook, OlaJoe, the Crocheting Sailor, I made a backpack, and I used this particular yarn. This is Jersey Be Good, and it's 500 grams, and this is called In the Navy. So I love this color, and I got 3 of these. So I will be doing in the future, I will be doing a tutorial on that bag, but it is going to take some time. Oh, they also gave me 15% off my next order, so I will be getting something from them. Yes, and it says here's 15% off your next order when you spend $50 or more online. So I'm excited, and I get to use that until this until the 18th of August. And oh, they have this cute little sailboat. Oh my gosh. I'm a sailor. I'm a retired sailor, and I've served over 20 years in the military in the United States Navy. And this is signed by Wool and the Gang. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, this is like Happy Mail. Oh, how exciting. It's a little postcard, so I can actually send this to someone. So this is very neat. So for all 3 of these fabulous t-shirt yarns, some of it's called spaghetti. I've used this several times, and the first time I started making handbags, I actually went with Wool and the Gang, so I know that their product is really good. For these 3 was $24.15. So my subtotal was $42.07 for these 3 plus the Sugar Baby. And their shipping was $3.50. I did get this 2-day shipping. That's when it came. It was a two-day priority mail for $3.50. I thought that was great. And the total was $45.57. So I just wanted to share these with you. I love yarn, everything about yarn, the feel of it. And I just wanted to share this with you. Jersey Be Good. So I'm not sponsored by them. This is just a product that I love and I wanted to share with you. And if you're interested, just look them up, and they have lots of other beautiful yarns. So thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you soon.